If you're thinking about fostering and have questions, don't worry, you're not alone. We understand that the process can seem overwhelming, but we're here to guide you every step of the way. To get started, you only need to reach out to us. We'll have a friendly chat with you where we will be able to answer some of your initial questions, and then we will arrange a home visit. This way, we can explain everything in person and get to know you better. Once we've filled out the necessary paperwork, we'll invite you to a training course. This will ensure you have a broad understanding of fostering and help prepare you for the next steps. To ensure that fostering is a success, you will then meet with an assessor who will want to learn all about you. You'll discuss everything from your childhood and education all the way through to your beliefs and family. Afterwards, your assessment report will be reviewed by a Foster Wales panel. Once you've been approved, we'll provide a brief induction and you'll receive your first phone call. If it's a good fit, you'll soon be caring for your first foster child. Support doesn't stop there, as we will continue to visit regularly before and after your first fostering review. Simple. So what are you waiting for? Get started today by contacting your local Foster Wales team.